Yo, what's good YouTube? This is Zangi. And today we got a new topic for you guys. And like I said before, we're gonna be talking about the theme test. Right. So this step in theme unit testing is basically correlating step where we basically add in some XML files or WXR files that we're gonna add in into our WordPress installation to test our theme. As you can see, even from the documentation from codexwordpress.org, this is just one step in testing your theme. And what basically this does, you can also check out the theme testing for more details and about all the testing that you can do. We're basically going to import some files, some XML files that are going to be basically posts and just some tests for your WordPress theme. So as you can see, here is an author. It's called Theme Reviewer. These are added automatically. And we're going to basically add in these posts, and then we're also going to add in the WordPress theme check-in plugin, which is called, let me just check that. It's called Theme Check by Theme Teams, right? This is the two ones that we're going to download, right? So if we go back into the directory in this link, you're going to give you a link to the GitHub theme unit tests. So just go there. And these are the tests that we want. So we're just going to download that zip, right? Open where that zip has been downloaded. So I'm just going to put it into this WordPress unit tests file. And I'm just going to extract everything. So as you can see in the theme test data.master, we have just some XML files, right? And these are basically we're going to upload to our WordPress installation just to test out our theme, right? So all you really need to do is just go into your localhost WordPress and then wp-admin. And I'm going to guide you through everything, all right? Don't worry. So go on the left, you're going to find something called tools, then import, select import. At the bottom of the import page, you're going to find a import plugin that's called WordPress. So just click install now. So just give it a moment while it's installing, right? And then run importer, all right? Browse, then just go where you downloaded your WordPress unit tests. And let's start by the 64 block test data.xml. Upload file and import. And as you can see, it's just giving us a hint that we're assigning two authors for the posts that are in hand. So it's importing Theme Buster author and Theme Reviewer author. So don't worry, these are just some demo authors with just some author privileges. Make sure to download an import file attachment, right? And it's just going to take a little bit longer because it's going to be downloading the images. That is fine if you basically make sure everything has been installed. So yeah, everything has been installed. All right, let's do the same thing to the other two files. Again, I already have these imported. Let's just make sure to add in the last import file. So these are three files. And that's going to be themepreview.xml. Upload file and import. Make sure to download and import file attachments. All right. All right, all done. What else should we do? All right, so just make sure right now you go into your pages and just make sure you have all these pages added in. As you could see by ThemeBuster, these have been published in like 2007, 2013, 2020. These are just some example posts and pages that you could test your theme with. So as you can see, these are all posts and all pages. You're going to find some categories as well, some tags. So we don't have to worry about testing at all. All right, so that is pretty cool. Just make sure also to go into your website and let's, for example, check out all the pages. So as you can see in the menu, all the pages have been added to the menu. And let's just close that, right? All right, so right now let's actually add in the plugin that's going to show us if we are actually running according to the WordPress standards, right? And like I said, that plugin name is Theme Check by Themes Team. So just make sure to download that. If for some reason it does not work, you can just download the plugin and import it directly into your localhost WordPress installation, all right? So Theme Check. Again, if it does not appear into adding plugins, just make sure to install it externally using the upload plugin over here. We're just going to install that now, and it's not going to appear in the plugins. It's going to appear in appearance, right? So activate that. Right, I'm just going to give it a moment to refresh that. And I'm going to go back. All right, so as you can see in appearance, this has appeared a new menu button, which we're going to click on. It's called theme check. And as you can see, you can select any of your theme and check out if it's actually applying to the WordPress standards. As you can see, theme check is maintained by the WordPress themes team, which is a really good thing. And also, before you do that, just make sure to go into your WordPress config and enable debug mode. All right, so we're just going to go into local disk C, temp, htdocs, then WordPress, wp-config.php. Open this one up. Go to the down of the page. Right, and as you can see, there's something called define WordPress debug false. Make that to true. We'll just change the value from false to true and save that file. Close that, right, and then refresh the page. You can also restart the server when you basically add in the true value for the WordPress debug function, right? So just make sure to restart your server, right? And then click check it. So as you can see, running 1,593 tests against the theme. So of course, I kinda like updated it a little bit, so there's not that much errors over here. But again, it seems that it's showing us some errors. Like for example, I just downloaded the file from GitHub, so it's telling me that the theme appears to be in the wrong directory for the theme name. The directory name must match the slug of the theme. So if I go into my WordPress content themes, let me just rename this one, right? Which is Ango hyphen and then blocks. This is the exact slug name. So if I go into appearance again, just activate the new theme. It's basically the same theme, but just with a different name. And then go into theme check and check it. All right. So as you could see, that warning is not over here anymore, right? So I'm not gonna fix each and every warning. You're gonna find out for each and every theme. This can be used with a block theme, by the way, and can be used with a classic theme. What I advise you with is, as you can see also as well in the useful links, is the theme unit tests. So read more about the theme unit tests and also read more about the theme reviews, because this is not the only required step. This is one of the required steps, right? So you need to, of course, review HTML, CSS3, PHP, and it depends if you're using a classic theme or a block theme, right? So if you just want to exactly check out the theme review requirements, you can just click on the Make WordPress Theme Review Required and just scroll down. And as you can see, it's going to give you each and everything that it's required, like for the VS Code, and open up the folder. Some of the required files are basically like they're not all coding files, by the way, so we don't have to worry about that. So it requires you a license, okay? So you need to mention the license. You need to mention, for example, not a readme.markdown. For example, they need a readme. One of the required files is a readme.txt as well, not a readme.markdown, which is a little bit different from a markdown file. Screenshot.png, style.cs, so on and so forth. You can read more about it because it's very long. But again, this is what you should be doing in terms of actually viewing your theme or uploading WordPress.com. And after doing all of this, you're not really sure where you're going to be uploading this. If you're using the tutorial that we just made. Basically, you're going to be able to upload it into WordPress.com, and this is basically where all the WordPress themes are, the appearance and then themes. If you want to add in a new theme and you want your theme to be shown over here into the WordPress.com directory, these are the steps that you are supposed to be doing. Right, so I'll see you guys in the next video. That's all for today. In the next video, basically, we're going to be doing the same thing, but we're going to be doing a different theme checker, which is called Envato theme checker. It's for selling theme. So I'll see you guys in that video, and peace.